Does it have anything to do with that Netflix series?
Which
Is
one?
that the same evil spirit?
Which one are you talking about?
The one that we did.
Oh my god, yes, 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 yes. And we are live. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, The Time Out Squad. This is your boy Sabir Jose,
And I'm Megan.
and in this video, we are going to react to not Thalapathy Vijay's movie trailer, but one of the finest actors of India. His name is R. Madhavan, and the name of the movie is Vikram Veda. It's a Tamil movie, and it also features Vijay Sethupathi. These are like classic legendary actors, especially R. Madhavan. He's known for like having a chocolate boy look, like he acts in a lot of like romantic movies. But his work is brilliant, like brilliant, and you'll see why. I hope you'll find out why he's an amazing actor by the trailer. So without digressing any further, let's just take a look at the trailer, and we'll have a discussion right after. Yeah.
Yep.
Awesome, let's do this.
ஒரு கதை சொல்லிட்டேன் சார்.
He's R. Madhavan and he's Vijay Sethupathi. Ooh, the background score. Nice.
உன்ன மாதிரி ஆளுங்களுக்குலாம் ஒரே கதை தானே. நான் கீழே இருந்தேன், தெருநாயா இருந்தேன். இது செஞ்சு அது செஞ்சு பெரிய ஆள் ஆயிட்டேன். அந்த கதை தானே. ஓடி ஓடி அலைஞ்சு திரிஞ்சு வருஷம் முடிச்சு ஆரம்பிச்ச இடத்தை தேடி வந்து நிற்குண்டா. ஐயோ, எப்படி சார்? என் கண்ணிலே பட மாட்டேன் சார். கிரிமினல், போலீஸ். நான் முடிச்ச சின்ன எரிய போற போதைய போற சொர்க்க நரகம் போனது.
Whoa.
ஒருத்தனை கண்டு பார்த்து அவன் கிரிமினலா இன்னசென்ட்டான கண்டுபிடிக்க தெரியும்.
Nice. Na 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 na. Whoa.
சரி, என்னோட எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ்ல எதாச்சும் எதுவுமே நடந்தது. There is always a reason for something.
Absolutely true.
பிரச்சனையை பார்க்காது. பிரச்சனைக்கான காரணம் என்னன்னு பாரு. என்ன
Again,
பிரச்சனை வந்தாலும்
another one.
அந்த வீதம். Let's get it. நம்ம சாவு நமக்கு எல்லாம் ஒரு தனி கெத்து தானே சார். ஆனா எப்படி பார்த்தாலும் நீ நானும் ஒன்று தானே சார்.
That was close. I love this music.
ஒரு கதையில இவன் நல்லவன் இவன் கெட்டவன் சாய்ஸ் கொடுத்தா சூஸ் பண்றது ஈஸி. இந்த கதையில ரெண்டு பேருமே கெட்டவனுங்க. என்ன பண்ணுறது?
Nice.
That was
So-
intense.
Uh-huh.
I liked how, like, at the beginning it seemed pretty calm and it was just like about the story.
Yeah.
And then the music, like, as soon as the beat dropped,
Uh-huh.
there was like all this violence all of a sudden.
Yeah.
Like blood
Yeah.
and-
Yeah.
Yeah.
A
It
lot
was
of
ramped up.
slashing, a lot of like shooting.
Yeah, like lots of shooting.
Yeah.
Like point blank shooting.
Oh yeah. Like there was this one part like he came so close with his knife and then it's like actually to be honest, like I've seen this movie. But it was a good refresher though. And I love this movie. I love this movie. And you know how much I love thriller movies, right?
Yeah.
So this is the one of the best thriller, like so very well thought. The gold is in the script. Like, you know, this was so well thought written script. If you watch this movie, it will just amaze you, because I could be wrong, and correct me guys if I'm saying anything wrong, but I believe this is influenced by a very old tale. The tale that I'm talking about is about Vikram and Betal. Vikram is a king and Betal is like a demon, basically like an evil spirit. Vikram, the king, tries to capture the evil spirit Betal, but in order to captivate him, the king has to answer a lot of riddles. Like, you know, it's like thriller in that way. Like, it goes something like, if you answer the question correctly, then the king gets to captivate the evil spirit. But if the king answers any of the questions wrong, then the evil spirit will go back to the tree or wherever the evil spirit was residing. I don't. It's been a long time. It's been a long time, so I don't fully remember the story. It's a very old tale. That's something that I read when I was a kid, and it's the whole movie is actually inspired by that, and that's why it also correlates to the name of the tale, Vikram Veda, like Vikram, as in correlating to the Vikram, the king in the tale, and Veda means it's almost like a figure that is matching to the evil spirit in that tale.
Does it have anything to do with that Netflix series?
Which
Is
one?
that the same evil spirit?
Which one are you talking about?
The one that we did.
Oh my god, yes, 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 yes. The Netflix series that they're going to release in a couple of weeks.
Yeah.
Betal.
Yeah.
I think that is the name.
Yeah.
Oh yes, oh yeah, oh my god, yes, yes. Like, this is such an amazing coincidence. Like, yes, you're absolutely right about that.
Story.
It sounds like the same story. I think, I'm not 100% sure, but I have a pretty strong hunch that they both are related. So I don't know if you remember, but when we saw the trailer, they said that in the mountain there's this evil spirit or god called, whose name was Betal. So the Betal in that series is the same evil spirit in this old tale, as far as I remember. So, but it's amazing. Like, that, you should read that old tale. It's brilliant, and I love the fact that it's not exactly the same copy, but it's influenced. This movie is influenced and adapted to that old tale.
That's really cool.
Yeah, it's one of the best thriller movies. Like, I believe, as far as I know, it has like 9 stars or something out of 10 on IMDb. So yeah, it's that brilliant, and even the background score, like what you said.
Yeah.
I love that background score, and I love the fact that, you know, as soon as the beat dropped, like, they just suddenly switched the tempo of the whole movie, and they just went like U-turn. Like, you know, in the beginning, like, there was like this, it was like a storytelling, and then as soon as the beat dropped, like, it just went to like straight slashing and like killing people. And I have that song again in my playlist. I listen to it every time I work out.
I could tell you were singing it.
Yeah. I mean, it just hypes me up. It just hypes me up. I love that song. All of these background scores, it's actually called background music, BGM, I guess, is what people call it there. But I love such BGM. Like, you know, there's just something about this BGM music that hypes me up. Like, you know. But yeah, it's a brilliant movie. You should definitely watch it. And thank you so much, guys, for suggesting this one. I'm so glad that I watched this trailer. It was a good refresher. Yeah, I think that was it for this video, and I hope you guys like this video, and please do keep sending your suggestions to us. We look at each and every one of them, and that was it for this video. We'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, time out. If you guys like this video, you guys know the drill. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon notification button so you don't miss any other update. And if you guys have more such videos, please do send them our way. All of the details will be in the description box below.
And don't forget to check out our other videos and follow us on social media.